Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I know you guys enjoyed the last vlog where I went to a car meet, and yeah, so I'm heading over to a car meet right now and I'm gonna see what I can vlog. Yo, so we just got to the meet and we got some crazy cars coming in right now. That's all I got for you guys today, so make sure if you enjoyed, leave that thumbs up, subscribe for more. You're beautiful, keep that smile on your face, stay awesome.